We all go through the same amount of pain when we try to catch up to our home's endless list of daily tasks. But personal robot assistants can help you with day-to-day household tasks, making life more comfortable. These little companions serve a number of purposes, from education to make your home run more efficiently, with less work for you. They are also really cool and make your home smarter and technologically cutting edge. Here are top 5 robot personal assistants for your home in 2020. Number 5, Buddy. Buddy is a social robot and home assistant from Blue Frog Robotics. An open-source robot powered by Unity 3D and Android software, can accompany the family in its daily tasks, protect your home, entertain your kids, and interact with your home's smart connected devices. Among many other activities, Buddy allows you to remain connected with loved ones, run a playlist, or be your personal assistant. It has a variety of sensors that help to deliver the various functionalities. These include a camera, ultrasound, infrared and thermal sensors, a rangefinder sensor, a temperature sensor, and ground detectors. Other inputs and outputs include a microphone, an audio output, and speakers. He is controlled by an 8-inch tablet that also acts as his face, and an interface has 16 gigabytes of local data storage and a battery life of 8-10 hours, as well as built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Low Energy connectivity. Its features are: patrols your home while you are away. It can alert you when detecting fires, burglars or any unusual situation. Smart home hub controlled by voice command or remotely. Hand-free control of connected devices, lights, rollers, blind, thermostat, plugs. Works as a personal assistant and can set memo, timer, reminder, agenda. Makes a video call while following you, ideal for communicating with friends and relatives. Takes care of younger, older, and less mobile people by providing companionship and help with day-to-day activities. Offers learning fun with counting, storytelling, memory, and programming apps. Plays or reads messages sent through My Buddy app and deliver them to family members. Offers funny interactive games and childhood favorites, red light, green light, find color, move your body, play dance, catch me if you can. Number 4. Kuri. Kuri is an adorable home robot that can watch over your kids like a nanny and even watch your place while you are away. Its features are an essential mix of companionship, entertainment, and utility. Though it can't perform household tasks, it can easily watch over your kids or house through the 1080p camera. It plays music, podcasts or read e-books, or it can remind you to turn off the oven while conveying cute and adorable expressions at the same time. Its features are: responds to human touch. A gentle tap to the head will make Kurt look up at you and chirp affirmingly. Captures 1080p HD pictures and videos in a wide range of lighting conditions. It can live stream home monitoring when you are away. Equipped with 4 sensitive microphones that help him precisely locate sounds. Detects your voice and turns his head to face you when you're giving him a voice command. Conveys a sense of mood. Plays music and podcasts. Has mapping sensors to navigate your house autonomously. Automatically goes for a power nap between activities and tasks, or when energy is running low. Number 3. Zenbo. Zenbo is a cute little personal assistant developed by Asus. When connected to the internet, it can perform various tasks like communicating with people, interacting with home appliances, working as a self-trained remote, and many more. Zenbo moves around on 3 wheels and has a voice and screen to better interact with human owners. The screen is a multi-touch touch screen, so a user can interact using touch too along with the voice. Asus has also released a developer program for Zenbo so that developers can utilize the power of the SDK to create something interesting with Zenbo. Its features are: moves freely and independently around the house and assist anywhere. Connects to and controls smart home devices, order items online, and interact with connected services. Recognize faces, make video calls, and provide remote home monitoring. Delivers spoken reminders, such as doctor's appointments, medication schedules, etc. Responds to your naturally spoken requests and questions. Entertain with music, movies, and photo slideshows anywhere in the home and provides control with easy-to-use voice commands. Learns and adapts to your preferences with proactive artificial intelligence. Expresses emotions with many different facial expressions. Reacts to emergencies and notifies family members no matter where they are. Tells fun interactive stories to keep kids entertained during the day and help them relax and fall asleep at night. Teaches and entertains with a variety of educational games and fun learning materials. Acts as a remote-controlled home camera that covers the entire home. Reads recipes out loud so you can stay focused on cooking. Helps to capture memories as the family photographer to preserve special moments at home. Number 2, Alpha 2. The new Alpha 2 humanoid robot is the first ever, designed for practical household service and companionship. The Alpha 2 provides cloud services and leverages intelligent voice and perceptual systems to receive commands and execute corresponding behaviors. The robot is capable of simultaneous interpretation, voice search, visual interaction, and providing verbal reminders. The robot also enables sensor-based interaction, insert with an acceleration sensor, ultrasonic, touch and pressure sensors, and a built-in camera backed by robot visual computing systems. The robot's both iOS and Android systems provide everyday remote communication and control. Its features: face and voice recognition. Keeps your home safe by monitoring its security. Manages your smart devices, such as your lights and thermostats. Manages weekly calendars and provide verbal reminders for scheduled tasks. Takes your pictures and record essential events. Acts as your personal office assistant. You can rely on it to answer your calls or read your texts and email. Helps you search the internet, whether it's for a new recipe or a DIY project. Interprets and translates phrases for you. Reads and acts out bedtime stories to your kids. If you have a Wi-Fi-enabled printer or computer, you can instruct Alpha to print relevant documents or to send them to someone else. And here we are for number 1. Aido. Aido is one of the smartest and most inclusive family companion robots on the market today. This next-generation social family robot is intelligent, interactive, and uniquely mobile. Aido can move around your home, office to help improve your lifestyle. It will play with your kids, help keep your schedule, project movies, and helpful videos onto all surfaces, act as an entertainment center and gaming device, manage your household chores, monitor your home via sensors and patrol to keep it safe and secure from intruders as well as invisible problems in the air and so much more. This family robot is designed to make interactions with human beings as natural and intuitive as possible. Its features are: patrol mode helps keep your home secure. Various sensors monitor your home's temperature, humidity, ambient light, air quality, GPS, noise level and pressure. Creates interactive learning experiences via sound effects, graphics, and movement. Controls connected devices. Keeps track of your schedule and to-do list. Recognizes each member of the household and adjusts preferences accordingly. Easily maneuvers around complex spaces. Includes attachable tabletop base. Receives traffic updates. Reads bedtime stories to your kids. Watches movies and play games via Aido's interactive high-fidelity speakers and HD projector. Here are top 5 robot personal assistants for your home 2020. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel and comment our favorite robot below.